it is the process of destruction of the forests. Causes of deforestation: a number of agents are responsible for removal of forests. These are fires, droughts or animals. The principal agent of deforestation is man himself. Humans are cutting forests to colonize the forest areas or to prepare more agricultural lands or for getting food. Effects of deforestation: deforestation has many bad effects on human life. With destruction of the forest, the process of cleaning of air and production of oxygen is badly affected. 2. Forests are major agents of evaporation and rainfall. With deforestation, rainfall is decreased. 3. With cutting of forests, pollution is increasing as the hazardous gases are not completely absorbed by plants. 4. With deforestation, carbon dioxide is increasing, which is causing global warming. 4. With deforestation, carbon dioxide is increasing, which is causing global warming. With reduction in area of forest, soil erosion is taking place, resulting in floods which destroy crops and human life. 6. Deforestation has badly damaged wildlife and reduced recreation sites. Earth, features